xifundzankulu xa Gauteng xi lulamele ku tirhana ni ikhonomi ya xona ku ya hi vatinhlayo ta Afrika-Dzonga lava nga tirhiki eGauteng va le ka 37%. Lembe leri nga hundza mfumo wa xifundzankulu a wu lwisana ni ntungu wa corona lowu nga onha swinene ka vutomi bya vanhu. Lembe leri mfumo wu langute eka ku lwisana ni ku pfumaleka ka mintirho.
We have established the provincial war room, which brings together government and industry leaders in Gauteng province to drive economic recovery, unlock growth in every sector and create sustainable jobs, as well as supporting the growth of SMMEs.
Hi le tlhelo David Makhura u tivise leswaku u sayine xitiviso xa ximfumo xo va mintirho hinkwayo yo lunghisa xibedhlele xa Charlotte Maqeke yi suka eka ndzawulo ya switirhisiwa ku ya eka ya rihanyo. Leswi swi ta endzhaku ka ku tshwa ka xibedhlele Dzivamisoko lembe leri nga hundza. Makhura wa pfumela leswaku ku na mintlhontlho eka vukorhokeri bya switirhisiwa eGauteng leswi faneleke ku lulamisiwa hi xihatla. Loko Makhura andlala makungu yakwe swirho swa azapo a swi kombisa ku vilela.
The other key problem with our infrastructure projects, honorable members, is delivery on time and at cost. For that reason, we have now established an infrastructure war room that will also bring business players who are leading different infrastructure projects, and the police and our different implementing agencies, including the Department of Infrastructure Development.
We think that the Premier was able to, blow by blow, tell us what was the commitment in the last state of the address and how far are they in terms of progress, conceding in areas where the provincial government has failed.
Little implementation, very little to report on what has actually been done. This is very much some of the same, very disappointing.
I said, where is political accountability? You should have known today, told the people of Gauteng and say, no, I'm removing MEC Tasnim Mutara, then I'm putting so and so.
There was a mismatch because I did not see any emergency measures put in place to deal with the new pandemic, which is unemployment of young people.
We have a strong belief that DID must be disbanded, that in various departments, like education for instance, they must be able to deal with their own infrastructure needs.
There's talk about, eradicating the department, but you can't really do that. The department's got to deliver services. So you need to look at the leadership, and you need to look at the senior leadership in the department itself to find out where the fault is lying.
Endzhaku vukungundzwana bya tithendara ta switirhisiwa swa ku tisirhelela eka corona lembe leri nga hela, mfumo wa xifundzankulu wu simeke swikambelo swa vukungundzwana eka tikontraka hinkwato leti nga le henhla ka mamiliyoni 10 wa tirhandi.